I wake up with a happy heart, a brand new day, a fresh new start. For my family who cares, my cozy home, I am grateful, I'm never alone.